What is inside MrBeast brain? Let's try to find out in today's video. So first of all, we need a MrBeast, alright? So for this, we're going to call MrBeast in my game. So watch this full video if you want to know what is inside MrBeast brain. Also, if you're a big fan of MrBeast, watch this full video and also leave a like. Not for me, but for MrBeast. Obviously, we need some ender pearls, right? There we go. Stand still, bro. Why are you running? Stop. Stop in one place, bro. Okay, it's perfect. Now stop. Now let me do my work. It's not working, bro. Why it's so hard? You just stop in one place and don't move. If you move, I'm going to kill you. Okay, let's do this. OMG. It's money everywhere. OMG, MrBeast is so rich. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.